Hi guys, my name is Zaina. In today's video we're gonna fix this side table. First, I added wood glue to fix the veneer. So after I added my glue, I'm gonna add the clamps so I can fix the veneer. Then I'm gonna let it dry for half an hour or maybe an hour. Then I'll start painting my piece. For this video, I'm using Rustic paint, the color Sage Advice, and using the brush 1.5 inches by the same company. I will give it one coat, then I'll let it dry for a few hours, then I'll apply my second coat so I can have the perfect coverage for my project. After I let my piece dry for a few hours, it's time to add some glaze so I can have some effect on the finished product or the finished piece. All I have to do is add my glaze, wipe it with a cloth. If I start feeling the glaze start drying, all I have to do is add more and wipe it again till I have that smooth finish effect on my piece. And I'll do the same things to the door. It has a little bit details on it, so all I have to do is add my glaze and wipe it. I'm not worried about how perfect I'm gonna have these because I'm gonna add wax and metallic cream after that. Using my chip paintbrush, I'm gonna add the Bronze Age wax by Redesign with Prima along with Lucky Penny metallic color by Rustic paint, so I can add a little bit, the rustic look to the details. I'm just using the same aged wax by Prima to the corner so I can add a little bit aged rustic effect to the piece. After I was done, it's time to add some transfer. I'm using this transfer by Redesign with Prima called Vintage Rustic Transfer. It comes actually in 3 sheets and the same picture on top and on the bottom. So you can use it on more than one project if you want to cut it in small pieces. And that's exactly what I did. I saved literally half of this transfer for another project probably I'm gonna do in the future. And after I was done, I protected my piece with top coat by Contour Chic paint. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please let me know what you think of this project and the products that I use. Thanks again.